Hello teachers, I created a conversation board that you potentially could use in your classroom with your ML level 1 and 2 students. In the bottom is a rubric to check for understanding. I understand, kind of understand, I don't understand. And at the top is a communication board that you can use in your classroom, not just you but your students as well, so that you can communicate back and forth. At the very beginning, remember to keep conversations or even phrases very short. And then as they start learning these words, their conversation and their sentence structures are going to become more complex. So what I suggest you do is that you work from left to right. If there's a question being asked, they're obviously going to start with a question word and then they're going to add to it. And if it's a command, then you'll just pick the word to start creating those short sentences, such as I need water, I need pencil, I need computer. Okay. If you need them to be silent, silencio. Okay. I suggest that you point and guide them through it so that you can model it for them, but also you're reinforcing to use a conversation board and communication for their daily use in your classroom. I'm hoping that this would be extremely helpful for you. The best way to do this I have found is to tape it on their desk and just have it easily accessible for them to use. And then to encourage them by you modeling short phrases for them to communicate with them. And then they'll do it back with you. So as they start seeing you doing that, they'll also do it as well. This on the bottom are just instructions on how to use it for them, and it's in Spanish. I didn't include the English translation just because this is for the students, but it's also for teacher use as well. Please email me with any questions or comments or concerns. I'm happy to help.